Whoa, what are the states of matter?
Welcome to the States of Matter. I'm Coco,
And I'm Jack.
and we're here to talk to you about the states of matter. So, Jack, I heard that you've been wondering what the states of matter are.
What are they?
Well, there's solids, like this rock, liquids, like this water, gases, like in the air that we breathe, and plasma, like in lightning, stars, neon signs, and fluorescent light bulbs.
Well, will you explain a solid?
Solids are composed of tightly packed, arranged molecules, very neatly arranged. Even though it may not look like it on the outside, there's a pattern in the way solids are arranged. And even though they seem really compact and you can't put your hand through them, there's actually a very small amount of space between the molecules, which causes a slight vibration that humans cannot detect.
Well, tell me about liquids.
Liquids, like this water, their molecules are arranged, but not as neatly and not as tightly as a solid. Liquids have no definite volume, so they kind of just go wherever to fill the space in their containers.
And tell me about gas.
Gases, their molecules are not arranged, so it's just madness all around. Yeah, they can't be contained really well. I mean, I guess you could, but not like a liquid or a solid could be.
And tell me about plasmas.
Plasmas are really interesting. They are supercharged gases, which means that heat energy was exerted so much onto them that the electrons tear away from their ions.
Interesting. Now, why should I care about any of this?
Well, it's because matter is all around you. You're made of matter, and I'm made of matter, and Jack's made of matter. So, just everything is matter, therefore everything can change its state, which is called a phase change.
What's a phase change?
A phase change is when the energy is manipulated. So, if I were to put this water in the freezer, it would undergo a phase change called freezing. If I were to put it in a pot and boil it, it would undergo vaporization, in which it would turn to gas and there would be water vapor. It's anything in which energy is manipulated.
Interesting. Now, can you give me some fun facts about this information?
Well, considering that everyone and everything is matter, humans can melt.
Yay!
We have a melting point of 1,700 degrees Fahrenheit.
Awesome.
Another fun fact is that plasmas are found primarily in the universe surrounding Earth. There are very few places on Earth where you would see a plasma naturally occurring. One of them is lightning, but besides that, it's mostly man-made.
Interesting.
Let's see, another fun fact would be
that we have an experiment.
we do have an experiment. We're going to do the baking soda and vinegar lab.
Yay!
So,
Kaboom!
what we're going to do is we're just going to put some baking soda in here. Super.
Yeah.
Just got some baking soda. Now, I'm going to close it up mostly. But just a little bit. We hold this.
Yes.
Thank you. Keep your shirt.
Keep sure.
Keep shirts
I'll
closed.
keep sure.
Okay, we're going to pour the vinegar in. Here we go. As much as I can get in there. Close it.
Oh my god, it's a boo ba ba!
Here we go.
Oh, no.
It popped.
Oh, it doesn't smell
It
good.
doesn't look like it popped, but I heard it pop, so I don't know.
Can I stomp on it? Or burn it?
No, not yet. So what's really cool about this is when chemical changes occur, heat energy is typically released. But with this one, it's cold.
What?
Heat was absorbed, not released.
Wow.
So that's why this is such a fun lab. Wow, it's really gigantic. Okay.
Can I kick it?
No, probably not,
Why not?
because there's birds.
Oh, birds. You totally ruined it.
Thank you for tuning in, and we hope that you enjoyed this little video. There will be an assessment. Sorry, it's only 5 questions. But before we go, we'll just go over phase change names real quick. So when a liquid turns into a gas, it's vaporization or evaporation. When a gas turns into a liquid, it's condensation. When a gas goes straight to a solid, it's deposition. When a solid goes straight to a gas, it's sublimation. When a liquid goes to a solid, it's freezing. When a solid goes to a liquid, it's melting. Oh, I remembered a fun fact. Okay, so usually when you freeze liquids, they take the molecules compact and take up less space in the container, but that's not the case with water. When you freeze water, it takes up more space in the container, and it's kind of cool. You might want to try that. But thank you. Have a good day.
Adios.
What are you still doing here? It's over. Go home.